Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I have a special card to share with you today. It's the very beginning stages. I will pop back in and share as I develop this card. It is for a friend, and I always do special cards for her, so I asked Hub what he thought would be a fun card that was something I had not done. He says, make it huge. So this is as big as I could come up with. It is 12 by 12. This particular white is the white stiff board that comes with the 12 by 12 paper packs. And on the back side of this has the text that is stamped on that has the name of the 12 by 12 pack and the part number and everything. So what I had to do was cover the whole outside, and I covered the outside with Beauty of the Earth, this blue watercolor wash. This is the back side, and I used a whole sheet of 12 by 12. And the finished dimensions I made of this, because I want it to fit in a 9 by 12 envelope, is 6 by 11. So the front is adhered. I am using tear and tape. And here is the back tear and tape. Oh, here's the text I'm covering. And then I will show you the die cuts I want to use. So I need everything to be very large, and there was in April 2021, the Paper Pumpkin So Cool subscription kit had shaped card bases, and I am going to arrange them. They're also watercolor, which is why I picked this blue watercolor wash. And so I will be popping these up. I will tape them closed. I could also try to cut them apart, but I want them to be really sturdy, so I think having them be double thickness is fine. And then for the sentiment, which also needs to be extremely large as I can make it, the best I have come up with so far, which I think will work great, is die cutting Happy Birthday. This is called Playful Alphabet dies. They are current. I do have larger dies, but I want to try to keep as much as I can on this card current products. So I will be cutting out either Happy Birthday or Happiest of Birthdays, depending on what kind of room I have. I wonder if I might also need to arrange the text vertically. So I will get all of those pieces cut, and we'll start playing with the layout of the front. And I will again pop back in here to film anything that comes up that's interesting as I get this finished. All right, I have finalized the layout. As you can see here, I believe most of it shows. Yep. And I'm going to pop all of the four big elements up, and I will also pop up the Happy Birthday. The Happy Birthday, as you can see, is 2 layers. So it's shadowed. Black letters with white shadow. I wanted to go with black because I think the white would have gotten lost, and then the black seeds kind of tie it all in. And I'm working on a bow element, and perhaps some bling of some variety. I need to see what I have that's large, and again, I'm trying to stick with current products, but trying to find large bling might be challenging. So I'm going to finish this up, and I'll come back for a final reveal. It has been very fun playing with large elements. And here is the final reveal image. Libby took it for me. I had to get it in the mail as soon as possible so it could make it on time. I did use sequins. They are the Artistry Blooms adhesive backed sequins, and the shimmer ribbon is the gray granite shimmer ribbon. Colored it with blends. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them here on this video or over on my blog, where I will have all of the supplies. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.